Alright everyone, we're starting this month with a hair growth challenge using this Ayurvedic tea. It's very simple to make. The link to my YouTube channel will be on my bio, or you can click the YouTube icon to take you directly to my YouTube channel and you watch how to make this simple Ayurvedic mixture. Okay?
First of all, I'm going to measure the length of my hair using the red marker, the front, back and side. Then by the end of the month, I'm going to use the black marker to see the difference. Before spraying the Ayurvedic tea on my scalp and hair, I'm going to shake it thoroughly. And please, you have to put your hair in a protective style, okay? You can also do cornrows. In Nigeria, we know it as all back. Next step is to use the hair growth oil. Guys, this hair growth oil is so effective. Do not sleep on this, okay? After 2 weeks, you start seeing results. Some people see results less than 2 weeks. In order for the Ayurvedic tea to work very well, with the help of the hair growth oil, you have to massage your scalp and hair thoroughly. Next step is to use the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This conditioner is packed with lots of nutrients to give you that healthy hair you are looking for. It's moisturizing, hydrating, it helps with softening your hair, split ends. Make sure to apply it at the tips of your hair because those are the oldest parts of your hair and those parts of the hair breaks more. All products mentioned in this video comes in set. There's medium set and there's big set. There's free shipping within Nigeria and those outside Nigeria have 10% discount off their shipping. This offer starts today 1st of September and ends 5th of September. Tucking your hair when you're done. When it comes to sleeping, make sure to use a satin bonnet or sleep on a satin pillowcase.
If you want your hair to be full, if you want your hair to be thick,
in the middle of the month, we are going to apply the Ayurvedic hair mask, carry it for 30 minutes, then rinse off with just water. Then continue applying the Ayurvedic tea, oil and leave-in conditioner. By the end of the month, we are going to thoroughly wash the hair with shampoo, then apply the hair mask again and check the length of the hair for the final result.